All right, so let's review one more time. What kind of air pressure is inside of the can?
Low.
Low pressure because it's hot, which means the density of the molecules inside is also low. So we have warm, low pressure air rising out of the can. What's the air pressure like outside of the can?
High.
Because it's cooler, right? So the density is greater, the molecules are closer together. So right now we have low pressure air rising out of the can. High pressure, colder air is moving in to take its place. So you have convection occurring here. Now we're going to invert the can into the cold water and trap the low pressure inside of the can. What do you think is going to happen? It's going to implode, okay? And why is it going to implode?
Because the low pressure can't get out.
Low pressure can't get out. The high pressure air wants to get in and equalize the air pressure. Since it can't actually do that, it's going to crush the can from the outside, okay? So now my water is nice and cold, okay? I see steam coming out of the top of this, so I know that it's ready, okay? And in order to do this, I've got to do it correctly and I've got to do it fast, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
What?
Okay, Brandon, you can calm down.
Oh, look. So I took it up.
Everyone be free.
And usually that's about, there we go, now it's starting. It broke the seal on the bottom, so now it's starting to kind of like, okay, now watch what happens when I take care of this and pull this up. There was a fair amount of water in the bottom of the pie plate, right? Okay, so let's see. Alan predicted that it sucked it up, okay? Because not only did the high pressure crush the can from the outside, it pushed on the water down, and so it forced a lot of the water up. Okay, so now watch what's going to happen when I pull this up.
It's a vacuum.
That's exactly what happened. It created a vacuum. Okay, so in order to equalize the pressure, okay, that the air pressure differences are resulted in the can crush and all the water being sucked up into the can. Okay, very good, guys. All right, videos can stop. Nice job. If you will please return.